Hi everyone, it's Karen from tillycrafts.stampinup.net, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing. It's been delayed, so it's Saturday morning. It did arrive yesterday, but I was a bit poorly yesterday, so we're doing an unboxing. So this should have come on Wednesday, and it got delayed because apparently there was disruptions in the Eurotunnel. So let's have a look what we've got. Right, I'm just going to put it off to the side and then I can bring everything out and show you what I've got. Some of this is retired stuff and some of it is new stuff that I can show you. I can't show you inside the new catalogue, but I can show you the cover. I'm hoping that there is actually a catalogue in here so I can show it you. And no, there's not. So we're supposed to get one with our first order, and I've not got one, so I can't even show you. So right, I'll try and do the retired stuff first. So this is a retired set called Catch You Later. Quite a cutesy one. It's not one I'd normally buy, but I thought it's on offer, so I'll get it. And also this one, Home and Garden. I hope the light's not shining on it too much. It's because they're shiny. And we've also got, with these, if I can find it, there should be some dies to go with that. Yes, garden dies. Let's have a look at these. That is a red rubber stamp as well, but I think it would be great for making man cards. Let's have a look at the dies in here. Oh, there we go. So these obviously cut out all the bits in here, plus you've got grass extra, and I don't know what these are supposed to be. I'll have to have a look, find out what they're supposed to be, but I thought let's have a go. So got that on offer, catch me if you can. And we also got, this is a cling stamp set, but this is the Sweet Conversations. So got that and the dies for that. And let's get in these. I think it is primarily supposed to be a Valentine's one, but you get all these hearts. That's a little envelope, tags, big hearts, banner, little tiny banner, and in here, so you could use this not just for Valentine's Day, but for any time, like texting type, BFFF, hug me, you're cute, and text me. So I think that's quite a nice one. I do have some of the papers to get with that I'd bought ages ago. So let's see what else we've got. Oh, right. I'm sure this glimmer paper is retired. Supple Shimmer it's called, and I must have missed it the first time round. Let's have a look. And you can see I got two lots of it because it's so nice. So you only get two sheets in it, so you get a blue and a pink colour. Really like those, they're nice. And right, I'm thinking the rest of this is new stuffs. Must be new stuffs. Right, so with the new, oh sorry, and I also got the Kite Delight. I have done some videos with it, but it was, I borrowed it off a friend to do some videos, but I really like it. I love Another Year Flies By, Happy Birthday. and I think I primarily got it because of that. And I also got the slim sayings because I do like big sentiments to put on a card, and I'm doing some cards at the moment, some 6x6 one sheet wonder cards with DSP, and I think these would go on there quite nicely as well, so you'll have to look out for that. And new stuffs, this is what I'm excited about. Let's have a look. And we've also got, when the new catalogue goes live, I think it's the 1st of July, there's also Celebration. So if you place an order of £45, you can get something free out of Celebration, or if you place a £90 order, you can also get a bigger bundle free, or multiples of 45. So I really love this, the Vintage Christmas, and the reason I got that is because I already have let's put the hand on it. I already have, out of the annual catalogue, Bottled Happiness with the bottle punch, and this has come out Vintage Christmas, and this actually fits the bottle punch in that, so I'm thinking that's going to make some really nice cards. Then we got a punch. We got this lovely handmade wishes with these in and all these sayings, and there's a lovely punch to go with it. I love punches, so that's going to make some nice cards too. And did I get any? Oh yes, the Scotty dog, Christmas Scotty. But to me, I could use this all year round because of the dog in it. And let's have a look. So there's the Scotty dog with a little bow, and he's all obviously going to cut this one out and the bow, but you've got these other two dogs, and it's a cling stamp set. Like this background, tartan background. So may your days be furry and bright. You always loved Merry Christmas and woof. So that one I'm really pleased about. And that, oh no, sorry, papers. So I ordered the festive foils 12x12, and these are lovely. So it looks like you get 2 sheets of each. There's 3 different designs. So you've got like a snowflakey dotty design, dots and big snowflakes, and they are, oops, where's the packaging gone? They are cherry cobbler, gold and soft succulent. So I will be using plenty of those. So they're pretty. And we also have, oh, that goes with that, I'm sure it does. Right, 1 minute. And we've also got this beautiful Snowflake 12x12 speciality vellum. Oh, look at these. So you've got one of each of these designs in gold, in silver. Are they all silver? I can't tell. Yeah, they're all silver. You see all the lights reflect on them, aren't they gorgeous? So we've got that vellum, and then we've also got it in white, but it's the same designs, the 3, but it's flocked. Oh, that's gorgeous, that flocked. So that is beautiful. Love it. And that is all my stuff from the catalogue, and because I ordered all that, I got a Celebration, and actually I'm confused because I've got some paper and I don't know whether it's current or not. Just bear with me 1 minute while I find my catalogue. Because I don't know whether it's out of the annual or out of this one. I mean out of the Christmas one. I'm sure it's out. Yes, it is out of the Christmas one. So this isn't Celebration. This is Splendid Day. Oops. I've just noticed I've got one thing that hasn't come, that's why I'm getting confused. So this is speciality paper, and it's in, I'm sorry not to blind you, it's in gold, silver, is that rose gold? Oh, I'm getting spoiled. Calypso coral. Oh, let's have a look. Oh dear. Oh, this is gorgeous, this paper. So we have Calypso Coral, Copper, Fresh Freesia, which I'm presuming this is the Fresh Freesia, Pool Party, Sahara Sand, Petal Pink, Soft Sea Foam. So that might be the soft sea foam. I can't see in this light. I've got one missing. No. It's a copper, soft sea foam. I can't tell. Sahara sand. There should be two of them. So. Oh yeah, they're stuck together. Petal pink. Petal pink. Fresh Freesia. And that must be the Calypso Coral, even though it looks gold to me. I'll have to look at them in the daylight, but aren't they gorgeous? Whoa! So that was in the colour, so that's not a special bundle, but this Stylish Sketches, look at the fox and the ducks and the acorns, that is lovely. This was a free set for when I spent £45, I got that free. We've got some lovely hippos. That was a 45 spend, and you get this one free. There's also some hippo dies, which I'll probably get on the next order. And then this one is gorgeous. Wonderful World. Now this is the one. There's Wonderful World Designer Series paper, and that must be on back order because it's not been shipped yet. So that's going to stamp really nice, and it's red rubber, so I'll be bringing you some projects with that and the paper once I get the paper. But that's all my goodies, so thank you very much for joining me, and I shall speak to you all again soon. Bye.